Yo, so guys, today me and my friend are going to get the UFO challenge. So let's go. Me and my friend are going to get the UFO challenge. By the way, I'm using Egg Slinger class. So guys, earlier I completed the extravaganza. Let's go. Keep it up on me. Whoa! Nice. Nice. Let's do it. Go, bro. Damn. Damn. Get maxing. Keep it up on me. Somebody's pushing me. It's my anxiety. UFO challenge. There we go. I drag it. Nice. Yo, GG guys. Yo, the UFO. Look up. Yo, nice guys. Look. Yo. God. Yeah, wow, 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 wow. Roger. Damn. Damn. Let's go. GG guys. Bye bye.